and welcome to the Puzzle Factory.
This is a new series in which your logical reasoning is tested on a daily basis and the answer is revealed the next day. Make sure to stick around if you want to see the explanation for yesterday's puzzle, but with that said, let's see the puzzle of today. With that said, let's see the Friday puzzle. Each of the letter masses below, a 5-letter, 6-letter, 7-letter, 8-letter, and 9-letter word, can be descrambled into an actual word. Using the first 2 letters of each new word, descramble the 10 letters to find a final word. So you have these letter masses, and your goal is to find the 10-letter word. Make sure to subscribe so you see the answers tomorrow, and let's go on to the answer from yesterday's puzzle.
With that said, let's get right into explaining the Thursday puzzle. So it was a cryptogram that looked exactly like this. Our first step is going to be to add the letter frequencies. We now have the letter frequencies, so we're going to be looking for common patterns in these letter frequencies. Now, right away, you might notice AVJ here. It's looking very suspicious. I think that is going to be the, because that is one of the more common patterns to find in letter frequencies. So we're going to put the for AVJ, and then we'll put in the rest of the T's, H's, and E's. Okay, so we have filled in the T's, H's, and E's. Now, what I'm noticing is that this bottom left corner right here ends in HT. Now, there's a lot of words that can end in it, but usually there's going to be a G right here for the F, so I'm going to put that. Okay, I'm looking at the puzzle again. I'm seeing that these 2 K's, there's only 2 of them, and there's a double letter there. So it's going to have to be something that can be a double letter. And I'm noticing it starts with H. And one of the common words I know comes up in cryptograms a lot is the word happiness. And so I checked that, and it does seem to fit. HAPPINESS. The O's are also double, so that's a big hint. So I'm going to put that there. Okay, so our happiness guess gave us a lot more letters. And there's a few things that I'm thinking can already be here. So the TI blank ES that you can see right here. Sorry, I'm recording on paper. This is going to be times because that's the only thing I can think of that fits here. So let's try to put that in right here. And then this right next to it, I blank something that could either be is, but we already have that. In, but we already have that. So it could be it. We can't have that though. So I'm thinking it's if. Then this can be on and un, something like that. It's going to be on though because we have most of the other vowels taken care of. And this is going to be 1 because that's also an M. Okay, we put most of those in. Now I'm looking at this and I'm seeing that a common word that will go here is remembers. So I'm going to put that. And then if I'm looking at the rest of this, only would make sense here. And then this, since that's a U, would be light here. So then I'm going to guess the quote is, happiness can be found in the darkest of times if only one remembers to turn on the light, by Albus Dumbledore. And that's how you get the answer for this puzzle.
Now that we have covered how to solve the Thursday puzzle, make sure to look forward to the answer to the Friday puzzle tomorrow.